Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson Smith here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and in this video I am going to go over my top tips and tricks to growing your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. That way you can become monetized, start earning that YouTube money, and then of course just building your channel, getting to that 1,000 subscriber mark, because getting to that mark has got to be the most difficult point to get to. But once you get there, your YouTube channel really starts to pick up momentum, and then it's pretty easy to start growing from there. But I know if you're a beginner, trust me, I've been there. Starting out and building a YouTube channel is absolutely the most difficult part, especially in the year 2021. Now, the reason why you should watch this video is because I know this channel I started probably back at the end of 2019 or the beginning of 2020, but I didn't really post on it. I really started posting on this channel within the last couple months, I would say, and I've already grown to 1,000 subscribers. So I know there's a bunch of other videos on YouTube teaching you how to get to your first 1,000 subscribers, but I'd hate to knock those videos. It's just those videos aren't very beginner friendly. Sure, they give you a few tips and tricks here and there, but they grew their channel to 1,000 subscribers way before 2021. So their methods were probably totally different than what works nowadays. And I'd hate to say it, but honestly, it was probably a little bit easier back then because there was less competition. There's, of course, now in 2021, a ton of people trying to get to their first 1,000 subscribers, especially as a beginner. But with that being said, having that thought in your mind, you're like, okay, well, that's basically saying that as years and time go on, it's only going to get more and more difficult to become somebody on YouTube and grow a following. And while yes, that is true to an extent, you've got to think about it. Have you ever followed a YouTube channel and then after a while you're like, hey, I haven't seen so-and-so post in quite some time. I want to go check out their channel. You go and you click on their channel, and next thing you know, they haven't posted in a few months or a year or whatever, and they just stopped doing YouTube for whatever reason. So there's always going to be people coming and going from YouTube, so don't ever stress that you're too late to the game. Trust me, it's 2021 and I'm just now starting my channel, and I'm already really starting to grow a following. Don't let it be intimidating that you're just now starting out your channel. You know, it's going to be hard. It's going to be more competitive than it has been in the past, but there's still always an opportunity for you to become a YouTuber. So with that being said, that's going to bring me to my first tip, and that is to be consistent. You've got to be consistent when you're uploading on YouTube. You can't just post a few videos here and there. If you look on my channel, that's what I did in the beginning. I posted a few videos and I stopped for a really long time. You can go back to over a year ago and you can see my first videos. Obviously, those didn't get my channel going, but now that I'm consistently posting every single week, almost every single day, my channel is starting to really get momentum and grow. And YouTube really likes that. They want to see that you have some authority, that you're going to stay on the platform, and that you're going to keep posting on a regular basis. You know, don't overcomplicate this. If you can only post once a week, post once a week and just be consistent with that. But I would stress to you to push yourself. If you think you can only post once a week, try to post 2 times a week. So that way, if you don't hit your goal, at least you're still getting that 1 video a week every single week. If you can do more, if you can do 2, 3 videos a week, that's great. If you can do a video every single day, that's even better. You've got to think about it. If you're making YouTube videos every single day, you have 7 videos a week that have the potential to either go viral or get noticed by other people. Whereas if you're only making 1 video every few weeks, well, you only have 1 video every few weeks that has a chance to reach somebody. Whereas if we're talking in a 2-week time span, somebody that posts 1 video versus somebody that posts 14 videos, well, probably the person that's posting 14 videos has the better chance of getting noticed and getting momentum. You've got to post a lot when you're starting out, which then brings me to step number 2. If you are a beginner, you cannot be posting YouTube videos that have just some basic bland title. You can't say my day at work or vlog number 1 or video number 1, my day at the beach. It's got to be something that you can rank for. Now, what do I mean by what you can rank for? So if we hop over here onto my computer, what I mean is you are going to be searching for videos that you are going to get in the search results for YouTube. So basically a bunch of how-to videos. So if I were to do how to do affiliate marketing in 2021, okay, this is what I'm going to be doing. You're going to be doing a lot of keyword research, okay? So a lot of people, when they're starting out, they make a video over affiliate marketing 2021. They put that as their title and they post it. The thing is nobody will ever see that video. So what tool do I use in order to find keywords that I can rank for? Well, I use this handy dandy little tool right down here called Tubebuddy. And if you want to use this tool, I'm telling you, it will greatly help you out. This is a tool that I've used that has helped me to get my videos ranked and get consistent views every single day. Now, it's a Google Chrome extension. You just add it to your web browser and then it's going to give you this right here. I highly recommend the paid version. If you go down to the link below, you click the link, you're going to get 30 days for the paid version for free. You can test it out, see how you like it, but this is the #1 tool that I highly recommend for beginners. And as you'll see, that this right here is saying that this keyword that I put in right here, how to do affiliate marketing in 2021, is giving me a good score. But the reason why the paid version is so great is because if you go over here and you click here for weighted. Now, what weighted is it's going to be specific to your channel. Basically, how many views you get, it's going to weigh everything. How many views you typically get, how many subscribers you get, how many likes and dislikes you get on your videos. So as you can see, we went from a score from 95, you can kind of see it right here, to 15 out of 100, which is very poor and not something that I would try to rank for. Not a video that I'm going to try to make, okay, because it's a very poor score. If we are trying to rank on YouTube, especially as a beginner, we're looking for a score of anything from 50 and above. So real quick, I just want to show an example. This is a keyword that I have found. I've done my research that has ranked well. So if I'm going to go ahead and copy and I'm going to paste it in here. 5 affiliate marketing strategies that require 0 audience. So if we go ahead and we search that, and then we scroll down, we're gonna go down to the Tubebuddy extension right here. We're gonna see that the score is very good. But once again, that is the unweighted version. If we go here and then we click on the weighted version, this is gonna pull up how it is specific to my channel. And as you can see, this is a very good score. This is something that I'm gonna be making in the very near future. This keyword is much longer, okay? It's not just affiliate marketing 2021. It is a much longer keyword that less people are going to be searching for. As you can see here, the search volume is much lower, but there's a lot less competition. You know, the people with the big YouTube channels, they aren't trying to rank for this keyword, but there are still people typing this into YouTube. So then that way, whenever people type this in, my video is going to show at the top. So this is what you need to be doing. I highly recommend getting Tubebuddy. If you want to get it, go down the description below. Click that link. Like I said, you're going to get 30 days of a free trial for the paid version, and the paid version is very crucial and important to get if you really want to find keywords to rank for. Now moving on to the next tip. Tip number 3 is to look professional from the start. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to go buy the nicest and best equipment. You can do something as simple as a webcam and a very simple microphone. The little microphone I have right here only cost $40. I do have a little bit of a nicer camera, but guys, when you're just getting started, you don't need all that. You just need something that can record yourself, that can capture audio, and you can just post stuff. But the thing is, what I mean by looking professional is on video, you need to be as professional as possible. If you're really shy and you kind of like shy away and talk like this, as you can see, people aren't going to be interested in your video. You've got to be up front in the camera, excited, smiling, talking, just being kind of almost the fake it till you make it. And not only just your videos, but you also need to make quality thumbnails, okay? I see a lot of people whenever they're just starting out, they make super basic and kind of really lame thumbnails that just aren't gonna get clicks. Nobody's gonna click on them, therefore it's not gonna rank in YouTube, which therefore then is not going to give you any results at all. What I highly recommend, if you're just getting started, go to like Udemy or just some sort of skill learning website and buy a course. Personally, what I did is I went and I bought a Photoshop tutorial course. Went there, learned a bunch of the basics and a little bit more of the advanced stuff with Photoshop so I can make high quality thumbnails that look really good, that stand out and make people want to click, because then if you have a higher click-through rate on your videos, then YouTube's going to push your video more to the top, which is going to get it more exposure, which is going to get you more views, which ultimately is going to get you more subscribers. This is super crucial for beginners. So this is something that I really implemented that really helped me to start seeing results. If you go to my channel, you can see some of the really poor YouTube thumbnails that I made, and as you can see now, my thumbnails are getting much better. That's because I went through a really simple course on how to do Photoshop, and basically just with those little bit of skills, you know, I can make much better thumbnails. And finally, guys, I'm not going to get into all these other tips that all these other videos talk about what you need to do, basically doing giveaways, collabing with other YouTubers. What are some other ones I've seen? Oh, I don't know. I've seen a bunch of these goofy ways of growing on YouTube, which can work if you implement them, but as a beginner, I'm sorry, they're not going to work. Basically, those three things are the things that you really need to focus on. I would say the last thing I would focus on is also good editing. Just take another course on like Udemy and then go to whatever video software you're using. Go to a course on how to edit your videos better. All these courses are super cheap and they're super easy to follow along with, and they're going to give you the skills necessary to become successful. But with everything that I've said, the number one thing that I've got to reiterate is you've got to be consistent when you're posting on YouTube. Guess what? Your first few videos are not going to have like any views unless you get really lucky and you have some super viral video idea, which I promise you you're not going to. Okay, you're not going to have a whole lot of views on your first videos. Understand that. Okay, run with that. You're gonna get better. You need to accept that and be okay with not getting any views on your first videos. For me, the reason why I quit back in 2020 is because I was so frustrated that I spent so much time on these videos and I wasn't getting any views. That's just how it is. That's how YouTube works. You're gonna have to put in the time to get your first 1,000 subscribers, but then take that time to get better on camera. When I post consistently every single day, I just get better and better on camera. Whereas when I first started, I wasn't that good. I wasn't as excited or happy on camera. I was kind of nervous and I didn't really know what to say. But now it flows much easier for me because I've consistently uploaded time and time again. So if you get anything out of this video, just start posting on YouTube. Stop making excuses, just post on YouTube. And coming from somebody that has grown to 1,000 subscribers in 2021, just take that tip and run with it, okay? That's really all I have for this video, you guys. If you could do me a favor, go ahead and smash that like button if you got any knowledge out of this. Also go down below, make sure you hit that subscribe button as you can stay up to date with all my videos. Like I said, I'm posting almost every single day with the latest and greatest ways to building a YouTube channel to making money online. Now that's my primary focus with this channel, is helping people to make money online, primarily with affiliate marketing. Now I'm building to a $10,000 a month business, and if that's something that you seem interested in and you want to achieve financial freedom, you want to make more money than what you're making at your job and you get to work at home or anywhere else in the world, go down the description below, click that first link. It's www.internetmoneylifestyles.com. Okay, that's going to be my 3-day course that I partnered with my mentor who's doing 6 figures a month. We created an amazing course to help you get to financial freedom primarily through an affiliate marketing business with an affiliate stacking ecosystem. I know you don't know what that means. It's totally okay. Everything is taught in the course and it comes at a great rate of only $7. This is the best affiliate marketing course on the entire internet. I promise you won't regret it. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.